Hello traders, today is the 19th of July 2023. We had such amazing trade guys on pound dollar. Today the news was CPI data was negative for the pound. That gave us another beautiful opportunity. Let me explain to you how we analyze the market. Pretty straightforward. As you can see here, we had this beautiful breakout short trade yesterday, and after this one, as explained by trader, keep taking a pullback. So this morning, if you look at here, this candlestick pattern, we have a bearish engulfing candle, and the news wasn't good for the pound. Price came back and retest, and we also had this beautiful short trade here. The target around this level, which is price nicely hit. You can see here previously price respected around this level, so we bank amazing profit. We also had a counter long trade here, small one. Let me explain to you how we analyze the market entries and exit. And if you look at here the previous price action, we had this yesterday breakout short trade. After that, pretty straightforward, as explained my trader, keep taking a pullback. Even the price gonna break the recent low, just keep taking a short trade here. So based on this analysis, as you can see here, the price nicely broken the previous low. That was a short trade. We also had the short trade afterwards. The news was good, so banked some profit. After banking some profit, we also had another beautiful short trade here. Price developed sideways market, which is basically correction, and after that we had another beautiful short trade here. After banking some profit, we also explained to trader this possibility of counter long trade here. You can see here the reason why I explained. First of all, there was a major support in 4 hour. If you look at here, the price nicely respected here, respected twice here, and after this breakout, price also broken and retested here. So there's a possibility, but we need to look for the pattern, the reversal pattern. And if you look at here, the price developed a double bottom. That was the high probability of reversal, and based on that we announced counter long trade if you want to take it as soon as the price hit to the previous high. And that's what I explained my traders time to enjoy some profit. All right guys, I hope you enjoy this analysis, but if you want to see all that analysis in real time instead of review, most welcome, join our fast growing trader community. Have a nice day guys.